Okay, guys. Today I have this is book. This is unboxing video number 4. I mean 3, because we made so. If you haven't watched book review number 2 or 1, feel free to go to that with those videos. If you did, okay, let's begin. So today I got a toy called Crayola iMagic Pals. Activity Surprise Ball. Bold. Okay, that's the Spanish. If you understand Spanish, you can read that. I do not understand what that says. So let's just get into opening it up. Let's open it up. So you have to peel it like that, not down. That's because only so it can be open, right? Okay, so this goes. Let's open this up. Okay. Oh, it's orange. It's orange. It's orange. So let's open it. This orange. It's orange. Okay, cracked it open. Okay, let's see. Oh, got some crayons. Oh, got some kind of toy. Oh, we got a coloring book. So got coloring book and some stickers. Let's open this up. Just pack. I ain't packed it up. Okay, so cracked it open. It's a koala. This is what I got. I got a koala. So, oh, it's have to do something. Also, you have to color them. You have to put the stickers in there in different spots. Okay. You have to match them to where they're supposed to go. Where they're supposed to go, that's where you put them. I think. Okay, this one. So this one goes just a tiny one. So this is, wait, what's this? Oh, it's just it's orange though, so that makes sense. So let's put that there. Put that there. Next sticker. Take this and there's a sticker next. And then this is the next sticker. Should go there. It was hard. It's hard to put the stickers on the thing. Oh, if there's rocks with leaves on them that I have to put. Yep. Oh, and I also got some crayons too. So I'll take them out and show you after I put this sticker on, after I put some of the rest of the stickers on. I got the next sticker to put that on there. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the koala I got. It's very good. And then I got the crayons. Let's try opening these up. Okay, let's open these up. So, okay, what's opening? It's very hard to open these. Okay. The other side. What's the other side? So we'll unfold that. Oh, there's some kind of red spot in the red spot. Let's open it like that. Let's just open it up. Okay, so we got some crayons. So it's technically more like a coloring sheet. A coloring sheet. Like a sticker sheet though. So, but we got some crayons for the like book. So let's just color the trees in. Color the leaves on the trees in. Yep. Yeah. And then we got red, blue, green, and yellow. Those are colors we got. Okay. So let's just see what is on. Like what is? Oh, it just says what the quality is. And these things are. This is a cool. I recommend this toy if you like are in like you like doing crafts and stuff. So let's just move on to the next product.